Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. You know, you like the consistency, I'm trying to keep it up. I said Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but like I didn't do a video on Monday, and then posted on Tuesday, and then Wednesday came. And then I had another video idea for today, and I have another one for tomorrow and Saturday. So I basically posted Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days this week. Yes. Okay, me. Well, I'm gonna post 5 days. You know what I mean. So this is gonna be like a no makeup tutorial. So I already did my brows. I wasn't sure how like my brows were gonna come out. So I did them off camera because sometimes when I tend to do my brows, like they don't come off harsh, but when I do want to do like a natural look for them, they look very sculpted. So I filled them in with light strokes. All I used was strokes, and I just lined the bottom with concealer, and I didn't do the top, and I think they look bomb. If my eyebrows look like this on the regular, but I have like thin eyebrows, y'all, I think y'all have seen them before, like my previous videos when I didn't do my eyebrows ahead of time, I would be very happy. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna prime myself with, you know, the Black Radiance Shine Control Primer as usual. Sometimes I vary with like what I do first. Like sometimes I do my eyebrows and my eyeshadow, then I prime my face. Sometimes I prime my face first. I'm right here like deciding if I should do eyeshadow. I am, but literally I'm just gonna do one color to make it look like, you know, as natural as possible. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with Fawn. I'm only doing a little bit because I don't wanna, I mean, I guess the eyes don't really matter. I don't want too much makeup on, so try to make it look as natural as possible. This time I'm not going to set my eyes like that, and I'm gonna take this small little brush, and I think I'm gonna take Jaclyn Hill. I ordered a whole bunch of makeup and from BH Cosmetics, so I'm gonna do a BH Cosmetics haul. Depending on when it comes, I might like switch out. It's supposed to come this week, so depending on when it comes, I'm gonna switch out like the videos that I'm going to do. But yeah, I ordered a lot of stuff. It's mainly for my kit, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I stopped using the same 3 palettes. Although it was the same 3 palettes, it has like every color I ever need, so that's okay. I'm going to use, I'm trying to do one that's like very nice with my skin tone. This one. I'm putting it on my lid and then blending the edges out. Just make sure you blend out the edges, that's the important part. Okay, so once you did your eyes, I promise it's a little cute. Fenty Beauty as normal. So I'm gonna try to make a little go a long way. So I usually use 2.5. I just did 1.5. So I'm gonna get this all over my face. No like coverage, you know. Some dark one I'm trying to get away. I might do a video on that too, how to get rid of dark marks. And I'm gonna like do an updated, you know, to keep you all updated with my routine. Like I don't want to get them away and then be like, this is how I got them away. No, I want you guys to come along with the journey. Okay, so once you have your foundation on, you want to take your concealer and use a little bit just to like hide those Chanel bags. Okay, now take your beauty blender and just blend that out. Now to set your under eye, I'm not gonna really bake like that. I'm just gonna kind of press it in. And let that be it. Alright, so for contour, you want to do something, you know, real light, slight work. So I'm going to mix these two shades in this palette just to give it, to make it a little less harsh. I want to dust off what's on your face. I'm gonna add a little blush. This one. And now add a little mascara. I'm just see how it looks with mascara. See if I want to add some lashes or not. No lashes. Alright, so now for highlight, I'm gonna go with something golden, you know, in my skin tone range. This one. It's real subtle, not too heavy. A little bit on my nose. Just a little bit on my brow bone. A little bit in the inner corner. For my nose, what's left on the brush, I'm going to use that to slightly contour. Now I'm going to set my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Spray. And this is it for my no makeup tutorial. I just added just like a light eyeshadow, something like similar to what I put on my cheeks, just to like balance it out, make it look, I don't know, equal, a little like contour, a little highlight, nothing too heavy because yesterday my highlight was blinding. But yeah, this is like, it literally took me, what, like 10 minutes to do? 10-15 minutes. So this is something I would do like if I'm on the go, before I go to class, throw some makeup on my face and go. These eyebrows I definitely would do again. I think I'm gonna start doing my eyebrows like this throughout the summertime because it was so easy and it just looks so natural. So if you guys like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My @ name on everything is @TiffaniNicoleD. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below with any video suggestions that you may have.